6.2, number 15. Find, if possible, the exact value of the expression. So we've got a tangent of pi over 4 minus pi over 6, tangent of u minus v. So tangent of u minus v is tangent u minus tangent v over 1 plus tangent u tangent v. Okay, there's our identity. So our u here is pi over 4 and our v is pi over 6. So tangent u, so that's tangent of pi over 4 minus tangent of v, which is pi over 6, over 1 plus tangent u times tangent of v. Alright, so we need to know what the tangent of pi over 4 is. So pi over 4 is 45 degrees, so it's 1 square root of 2. So the tangent of pi over 4 is just opposite over adjacent, which is 1. And then pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Tangent of 30 degrees is 1 over square root of 3. So tangent pi over 4 equals 1, tangent of pi over 6 equals 1 over square root of 3, or square root of 3 over 3. Alright, so we can plug them in. Tangent of pi over 4 is 1 minus, I'm going to do square root of 3 over 3. That way I don't have to rationalize that denominator. Over 1 plus tangent pi over 4, which is 1, and tangent of pi over 6, which is square root of 3 over 3. Okay. So I have 1 minus square root of 3 over 3 over 1 plus square root of 3 over 3. Well, I've got that fraction, so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 3 just to get rid of that fraction. So now I end up with 3 minus square root of 3, 3 plus the square root of 3. Because 3 times square root of these cross off and you get square root of 3. Okay, but we still have, I was kind of hoping not to have a square root in the bottom, but we do, so we're going to have to get rid of that square root on the bottom. So we're going to have to multiply by the conjugate, top and bottom. So the opposite here is minus, so 3 minus the square root of 3 over 3 minus the square root of 3. Foil that out. I get, on the bottom, I get 9 minus 3 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3, and then square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3, so it's minus 3. So really we end up with 6 on the bottom. On the top I have 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3 plus 3. So I have 12 minus 6 square root of 3. Alright, well, these can actually both divide by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Minus these 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 2 minus the square root of 3. After all that, that is our exact answer.